Is there a standard function to check for null, undefined, or blank variables in JavaScript? Is there a universal JavaScript function that checks that a variable has a value and ensures that it's not undefined or null? I've got this code, but I'm not sure if it covers all cases. You can just check if the variable has a truth value or not. That means, value will evaluate to true if value is not null, undefined, not a number, an empty string, 0, or false. The above list represents all possible falsy values in ECMA JavaScript. Find it in the specification at the Boolean section. Furthermore, if you do not know whether a variable exists, that means, if it was declared, you should check with the typeof operator. For instance, if typeof foo not equals undefined, foo could get resolved and it's defined. If you can be sure that a variable is declared at least, you should directly check if it has a truth value like shown above. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.